Hey guys, I ordered the Hubsan 501S with the advanced controller, and I just got the package today. I wasn't going to make a video because there's enough unboxing, but when I saw this package I was concerned because I thought, well, it didn't look like the right one from the other videos I've seen. So I pre-opened it. I'm going to show you how they shipped this one here. The box is a little bit different than we're accustomed from the other one. This was taped on it. Just says the model number, and then comes with a US plug adapter. So let's open this up and I'll show you how they are packaging them. Yeah, there's the US plug. And this box, I guess, protected the remote because it didn't come with those little white protectors that I've seen in other videos. Just sits in there, and this goes into this next part that I'm going to pull out. And one thing I noticed, and this may be on all these controllers, this is my first quadcopter, so I'm not sure, but this one has, it says charge, a little charge flap on it. Doesn't appear to be any, I don't know if that's for future expansion or you stick the JST cable through there, I'm not sure. And again, they may all have that, I don't know. I don't recall seeing it in any other videos, but that's obviously the controller. And this is how this baby was shipped. These two side boxes on here. And then there's the manual and the information booklet. In this box, looks like the loosening wrench for the propeller and the propeller and the spare propellers in this bag. And this is the sun shield for the controller. And that's all that's in box number one. Box number two has 2.4 antenna with paddle antenna for the FPV, USB charging cable, and let's see what else we have here. It's like a power supply and the Hubsan controller to charge the LiPo. Well, that's it. I may be doing more videos in the future. I've never done an unboxing video or anything, but I thought this was different enough that I'd like to share it with all you Hubsan 501S fans out there. I've been watching all the videos out there, and it seems like a great community. So that's it for now, guys. Talk to you soon.